Hello everyone. Welcome to the HK3 Art channel. Today we have an exciting video planned for you. I explain the rich history of the traditional Burmese handmade puppets known as Yot Thay Yot, and among them was a medical practitioner named Za Ji. This little doll will be drawn step by step with charcoal powder, and I will draw as monochrome style. This puppet has a great historical tradition in Burma, and I will explain step by step the attractive connection related to Burmese traditional dance art. These dolls have been a cherished part of Burmese cultural heritage for centuries. These are toys that are meticulously hand-carved using traditional Myanmar techniques and materials. It is a display of artworks created by Myanmar's skilled artisans with attention to detail. Now, I will explore and explain the fascinating connection between puppetry and Burmese traditional dance. Puppetry occupies an important place in the fabric of Burmese culture. Expression, storytelling, and storytelling dance are very important in Myanmar's history and history. Burmese traditional dance is very elegant and complicated movements, beautiful swaying and moving the body, so it is famous from the ancient times to the present day. Burmese dance can depict a variety of styles unique to each region and ethnic group within Myanmar, encompassing the cultural atmosphere. The dances performed using puppets are controlled by human hands through the strings attached to the puppets, and the desired form of posture is formed. Mythical stories, historical events are portrayed by puppets. Puppet dances not only entertained the royal court and nobility, but also played a role in preserving and promoting Burmese cultural heritage. They are the country's artistic traditions. It reflects the social hierarchies and the glamour of the era. Today, puppets are associated with traditional dances in Myanmar. Traditional dance performances. They are often performed in traditional dances during cultural festivals and as a way to pay homage to the country's rich artistic heritage. By combining simple puppets and traditional dances, Myanmar celebrates its cultural heritage, artistic talent, and the importance of dance as a form of cultural expression and identity are shown. I am drawing this puppet now, valuing the art of Burmese culture and combining it with the drawing method I know, which is a work of art of Burmese culture. A puppet named Zao Ji is drawn and presented along with the history of the puppet. I hope you like it. If you like what I draw and explain, please click your thumb and subscribe to my channel, and you can continue to watch the videos that I will present to show the step-by-step drawing of Burmese cultural heritage and history. Don't forget to turn on the noti bell. As far as I've learned about puppets, and it's a re-explanation, so please understand if there is a need. I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.